Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, give us a like. That way you can be assured to see all of our new arrivals as soon as they hit the lot, just like this one here today. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of the specific unit or anything else we have in our lot, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Today we're showing you a brand new arrival, a 2020 Chrysler Pacifica. This is the Touring L Edition, guys. It's an ocean blue exterior color, which definitely looks awesome considering this does have the black appearance package on it. Some of the things you're going to get on the black appearance package, starting on the front, is you're going to notice the front grille, along with the Chrysler emblem, is blacked out, and also the grille underneath there towards the bottom is blacked out as well. Really nice blacked out 18-inch rims, Chrysler factory rims. 7-passenger, this one is. You can get them in an 8, but this one is a 7-passenger van. Rear monitoring system that runs along the whole rear bumper. Definitely going to help you when you're getting into them tight spots. And there's also a rear backup camera located on this as well. This vehicle does come with a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper-to-bumper warranty. Also comes with extended coverage on the powertrain, a 5-year, 60,000 miles, guys. And with a fuel economy on this on the highway of nearly 30 miles per gallon, it is a win-win. Memory seating for up to 2 people. Power side mirrors, power windows, and power locks. Automatic overhead headlighting located right there. Power driver's seat with power lumbar. That's a 4-way power lumbar. Black leather seating with the S emblem in the back. On the driver's side steering wheel, these buttons located right here are going to be for your instrument cluster located here in the center of the dash. It's going to give you all the features of the vehicle while driving down the road, whether it's how fast you're going, your trip information, your miles per gallon, also all the functions of the vehicle, when you're due for an oil change, how much oil life is actually left in the vehicle, engine coolant temperatures, and much more that's built in there. Over here on the bottom, we go with the green phone button and the red phone button. You can simply pair your phone with this vehicle. And once you have this vehicle, once you pair your phone with the vehicle, when your phone does ring, you can simply hit the green phone button. You answer the phone call with your speaker system in the car. You're carrying on the conversation. You're no longer reaching for your phone while driving down the road. You're simply having the conversation directly through your speaker system. On the right-hand side of the steering wheel right here, we have all the cruise control settings. And then on the back of the steering wheel, we have all the settings for your audio, for your radio. So you can change your radio station. You can also change your volume while simply driving down the road. Touchscreen radio located right here. It does have AM, FM, Sirius XM radio with this. It does come with a free subscription to your Sirius XM radio, which is another nice feature when purchasing this vehicle brand new. You can also download media directly into this, and it does have dual climate controls. So as you can see, you can set the driver on one temperature and the passenger on a different temperature, or if you like, or you can simply sync them together by hitting the sync button and they're on the same temperature. A bunch of Uconnect apps that are built in here. This vehicle does come with heated seats and a heated steering wheel. The heated seats in the front here do come with a high and a low setting, which is another really nice feature. Underneath the radio, we have the turn shifter knob here for your reverse, neutral, and drive. And by putting the vehicle in reverse, you can see your factory backup camera that displays over your radio. All your radio controls are located here on the outside. And then right here in the center, you have a second option when it comes to your climate control. So not only can you operate it from in the radio, you can also operate it right here on the dash. All kinds of little storage, little knick-knack spots. As you can see, there's a larger one down here below with a 12-volt DC plug and also a USB plug down there. Cup holders here up top. This vehicle does come with universal garage door openers. Up to 3 of them can be programmed at the same time. Another nice feature with this van, with this van anyways, is you simply hit these 2 side buttons right here. And as you'll see, once we get out of the van, your side doors have opened. Really nice feature to have, especially with kids. Or simply groceries or whatever it may be. You can simply do it from inside the vehicle or on the key fob. So not only do you have the option of doing it inside the vehicle, you can do it right from your key fob when you're walking up to the van. Captain seats here in the rear, as you can see, and also the rear bench in the back with it, which can accommodate up to 3 people. It does have a rear heat and AC system, which is located right here on the passenger side captain's chair. So your rear passengers can adjust the AC or heat. Underneath the floor right here, these 2 captain's chairs do fold into the floor if you need them to, for the extra room for storage or hauling something. If you simply don't want to use that, another nice feature to use for these bins underneath here is you can use it for storage, whether it's stuff you want to put down there. It's a really nice feature to have. Power rear tailgate, I just opened that from the key fob. That's another really nice feature, with a huge storage area down below. And also that rear bench does lay flat into that storage area if you need it to. So as you can see, extremely nice van. It's a 2020 Pacifica Touring L with many options. The main one is the S Appearance Package, which is going to give you all the badging on this blacked out, the upgraded seats, the upgraded rims, and much more. This vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button, give us a like. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of this with a full description, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SherryChrysler.com.